guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz. Today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Nike Air Max 95. Before we get into the review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, and I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. So today we've got a look at a collaboration between Nike and the London streetwear giants Palace. So for those that don't know, Palace are a skateboard brand from London, been in the game for a very long time. I would say they're very well established around the world. I myself, I wear tons of Palace. All my friends kind of know this, and you must have seen in the videos that we do. I've got some of the gear, but if anyone from Palace is listening, hopefully you guys are. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the best skater, but you know, if you can throw some merch your boys' way, appreciate it greatly. But we are looking at their recent collaboration with Nike, and they've done an Air Max 95. So just before we get into the meat and the bones of the review, I just want to say that as a Londoner, I'm going to say the Air Max 95 is our shoe. It's been that way for as long as I've known it, I guess since 95. When I was growing up, Jeff can attest to this, how we used to see everyone wear Air Max 95s. It used to be called 110s. It's a UK shoe. I know like Liverpool have their say in the whole Air Max 95 story, which they do. And it will be great as well for everyone to acknowledge London as the home of Air Max 95. You know what? It's a UK shoe. All that said, let's get into the review. So if we look at the box, you can see it's modeled after the old school Air Max 95 box, but it's in the colorway of the shoe. So you have the two-tone, the gray, that black, and you've got a Palace Nike collaboration logo right there. Around the box also you have the Air Max sign, and you got a Palace sign, also Palace lettering. So before we get unboxing, let me give you the details of the sneaker. So this is a Nike Air Max 95 Big Bubble in metallic silver aluminium black. We've got this in the UK size 7.5. It's European 42, and it's US 8.5. So if we get unboxing, here they are. Really dope. I think it's right that, again, as a London brand, it is only right that Nike collabed with Palace on an Air Max 95. Just to show, you know, the London story. We love that. So first things first, just want to say that this isn't the SP version. The tooling is much more like the Big Bubble. We've done a review of the Air Max 95 Classic Neon OG Big Bubble. Have a look at it. We go in much detail. And we actually do have a review of the Nike SB Air Max 95. So check that out. There's various differences, but this is more akin to the Big Bubble, as this is classed as the Big Bubble Air Max 95. Start with the outsole. There's some laces as well for you, baby blue. So you got your typical Air Max 95 outsole. You got the waffle at the top end, and then you got this plate with the Palace logo, showing the gradient between that baby blue, the black. You got the Nike logo swoosh, and the Palace logo also. Midsole, you got that classic Air Max 95 midsole mixed with your foams and the Big Bubble Air Max unit right there in the back. You can see how it's like a big booty right there. Big Bubble. And one thing that you can see is on the pillars that are inside, the cushioning, you can see it is baby blue, and you have that Palace logo also. The upper, you have your typical Air Max 95, but it's like the leather instead of the mesh. So you have the gradients right here. You've got this metallic silver at the forefoot, and going all the way to the heel, you have this black paint job. You have a little mini swoosh, as you'll always see on the Air Max 95. So again, I just want to talk about the anatomy of the Air Max 95. These were designed by the great Sergio, and it is meant to resemble the human body. So you have the lungs, rib cage, the muscle fibers with that paneling right there. You look at the front of the sneaker, at the tongue, you have the fast lacing system that is almost synonymous with the MX 95. At the tongue, you have the Nike Palace logo right there. And as I mentioned, it's in this gradient. So it starts from, I think the way it starts is it's got this black paint job going all the way to that silver metallic to the front. You have a mesh underlay that goes underneath that leather. At the back, you can't really tell, but it's a 3M shine with the Palace logo and a bit of that gradient also with the baby blue. The insole, you got your normal typical synthetic Nike insole. And as I mentioned before, this is not the SB version, which is a shame because obviously Palace being a skateboard brand, I think an SB version would have been great. But given that, you know, how big the MX 95 is with London, so you're right that they had the big bubble. That rounds off my review. I think this is a really dope sneaker, a really great collaboration. As a lifetime, well, not a lifetime, but a long time wearer of Palace merchandise, it's totally right that Nike did an Air Max 95 with the Palace boys. Really can't wait to try this. Love that to have another pair of Air Max 95s in my collection, especially with it being the Palace version. Love this, want to see some more. Roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. Typically for Nike, I wear a UK size 7.5. These fit perfectly. These look really cool on. I love the gradient effect. You guys have to agree with me. And big up to Palace, big up to Nike for doing such a clean sneaker on this collaboration. It's only right that, you know, Nike did something with a London-based skate brand. So big up to Palace again. If anyone from Palace is watching, we know that you are. You know, it would be nice if you throw the boys some merch, you know, like little t-shirt, little hoodie, that. All right, but great size, love the sneaker. Try and get your UK, your true to size fit, sorry. I don't know if this is sold out. Last time I checked, there were some sizes at the Palace website and at Dover Street Market if you're ever in London. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, on TikTok. Till next time, peace.